5 natural home remedies for snoring that works. If you are looking for an effective solution to your snoring problem, you are at the right place. In this video, you will discover 5 effective home remedies for snoring that work. So without further ado, let's get started. Remedy number 1, salt and water. Allergies, infections, and sinus infection can contribute to snoring by causing the inner lining of your nose to swell. This swelling can cause the soft palate to expand and block the airways when you go to sleep, thus creating the sound of snoring. When you use a saline spray, the risk of inflammation is cut by half because salt and water are pretty effective at cleansing the affected lining, hence easing the congestion. Here's how to prepare your saline spray. 1. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to 1/2 cup of boiled water. 2. Stir well until salt dissolves. 3. Using a dropper, add 3 drops of the mixture into each of your nostrils. 4. Follow this regimen for 5 days. Remedy number 2, using olive oil. Sometimes the main cause of the snoring is the accumulation of tissues at the back end of the throat or nose. In that case, a simple saline mixture might not be of much help, and so you need to consider using olive oil. Olive oil has special abilities to ease friction in the airways and enhance moisture storage. A daily sip of olive oil also tightens the muscles under the palate, essentially clearing out any obstacles that might be producing the buzzing sound. Remedy number 3, using thyme oil. In some cases, snoring occurs due to exhaustion, and that is where the calming effects of thyme essential oil are needed. This traditional remedy has been used since time immemorial. Apart from giving you a restful sleep, thyme oil can ease airflow in the trachea through the nose and help contain the problem of snoring. You only need to rub 1 drop of the oil on your chest before going to sleep. Precaution: don't use if you are pregnant or diagnosed with high blood pressure. Remedy number 4, change your sleeping position. If you sleep on your back, your tongue and soft palate may collapse to the back portion of your throat, leading to blockages. So if you snore, it is better to sleep on your side. Sometimes, this might mean using a pillow between your legs or sewing a tennis ball to the back of your pajama to ensure that you stay in that position. Remedy number 5, use an effective anti-snoring device. Finally, if none of the above remedies work for you, you may want to try an anti-snoring device. Most of these devices work by bringing the lower jaw and tongue forward, creating space around the throat to increase airflow. There are various kinds of devices, and because it is not realistically possible to test each available solution one by one, we have taken the trouble of analyzing and explaining exactly what you need to go for based on your unique situation. So head over to our website at www.byebysnoring.com to check our unbiased reviews of some of the most popular devices on the market. In our reviews, we cover every factor that you should take into account when choosing the best anti-snoring device. We reveal everything about the product, including if it really works, how it works, who it works for, is there any possible side effects, as well as how much it costs. If you follow this information, we are sure you will be able to make an informed purchase decision. So go ahead and visit www.byebysnoring.com or click the link in the description now. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.